everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make a paper snail. So first I am going to take two colors of paper sheets. Then I am going to take one big circle shape, then draw. Then I am going to take the other color sheet and take the small color shape. Okay, now I kept it ready. So now I am going to take this sheet and make round with my black sketch pen. Okay, so done. Okay, so after I'm going to take the big circle, then fold it into half. Then I'm going to take the glue and stick the small circle to the half semicircle. Okay. Then I'm going to stick this to this. Then done. So I stick like this. Now I am going to take a stripe of paper, then fold it into half. Then I am going to put a small bit of glue. You don't need that much glue. Okay. Then I am going to stick it back of the snail. Okay, like this. Okay, then after I'm going to take a sheet, fold it into half and draw a circle for eyes. I'm folding because once a time two eyes will come. Then I will cut it. Then I'm going to put some eyeballs. Okay. Then look at the eyes. Now I'm going to take that eye and put that side of me. Then I'm going to take the snail and put the glue on the stripes. And I'm going to stick on there. So look. And now I'm going to take my black sketch pen and draw a small mouth. Your snail is ready. Your snail is ready. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.